This is all about plums. This is all about plums. Hello lovely people, I'm Akanksha and welcome to Get Lady Akanksha. Have you ever thought that you can be paid for sending back empties to any brand? Wow! So if you want to know what this thing is about, then please keep on watching. So the brand that I am talking about is Plum Goodness. Yes, you heard me right. Plum Goodness, an Indian skincare brand, pays you for sending back the empties to them. So I'll tell you everything about this policy of Plum Goodness, and also let me put it out there in the very beginning that I'm not paid or I'm not associated with Plum Goodness in any way. I am putting this forward because some people might be like, oh, she's paid, she raves about Plum Goodness so much. There's nothing like that. I genuinely and honestly love the brand so much. I just can't stop using their products. I can't imagine my skincare routine without products from Plum because they are so good. So Plum has a policy called Empties for Good, under which they pay their consumers, whoever is willing to send them empties from Plum itself. Like कोई दूसरे brand का अगर आप empty bottles भेजोगे, then that's not gonna work. You need to send them empties from Plum itself, okay? And also they only take back the plastic empties because they can actually recycle that. They do not take the glass empties, so do not send any glass empties to them. You're not gonna earn anything for that. Now let's get started with the whole process of the Empties for Good policy, and I would go step by step. So the very first step is collecting the empties. So if you're someone like me for whom Plum is like a staple and you have already collected a lot of empties so far, then you are in the right place. You need to send them the empties right now, okay? And also you need a minimum of 2 empties to send them back. Just one won't do, they won't take it back. Minimum of 2 and maximum आप जितने इकट्ठे कर लो, आप सब भेज दो उनको, they are gonna pay you. The second step is, if you have collected enough of the empties to send them, then you need to thoroughly clean them and make sure that there's no residue of the product left in the bottle or the tub, and you clean it properly and keep it ready, clean and dry. The third step is actually sending the empties to them. So here they give you 2 options. Firstly, you can courier the products like the empties back to them by yourself, and I think they provide you the shipping fee. Secondly, you can request for a pickup, and Plum takes care of the whole pickup process. You do not need to do anything. You just need to select the pickup option from their website, and that's about it. So I actually choose the pickup option whenever I send back the empties to them because that is really hassle-free. You do not have any headache of couriering the products by yourself, and also you can choose your preferred pickup date, and accordingly a logistic team that is being provided or contacted by Plum, they contact you and they come at your doorstep to collect the empties. So that's amazing. So you do not need to pay for anything in this process, okay? It is completely free. Plum does not charge you anything for the shipping or for the pickup or anything. It's completely free. Also, you do not need to worry about packing the products because the logistic team takes care of that. You just give them the empties in a cardboard box or a paper bag or a polythene bag, and they'll take care of the rest, okay? After the pickup, the product can take about 10 to 15 days depending upon your location from Plum's warehouse. And when the products actually reach the Plum's warehouse, they carry out a quality check of the products to see if any of the products are defective, broken or damaged or anything. Your empties pass the quality test. There you go, a bingo, you get the money in your account. So how you get the money, right? So you do not get legit money, you get Plum credits which you can actually use for your next purchase with Plum, and this is only valid for Plum's website. If you buy products from Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, this is not valid. You can only use those credits from their website, like from when you buy from their website. And also you get 50 rupees for each empty. Like what? Nobody pays that huge amount. So you actually get 500 credit points for an empty, which converts into 50 rupees. So if you can send 10 empty bottles to them, you get 500 rupees and you can use that for your next purchase. Amazing, right? So that was basically about the process, but now I'll tell you that एक्चुअल में आपको कैसे करना है. Firstly, you need to log into Plum's website, and if you don't already have an account, then you need to create one. Then you need to go to their menu. You can see that there appears empties for good. When you select on that, you can see that a windows appear. There you can select send empties, and then the first step is to choose if you want a pickup or if you want to courier it by yourself. If you choose the pickup option, which I would recommend you to go for, then you are directed to a Google form which you need to fill up. There are a number of different information that you need to provide them, like your name, your contact details, like your phone number, then your address, and how many empties are you willing to send them, and also there's an empty space where you can write any additional message to Plum if you have any. There itself you need to choose the date for the pickup, then submit the form and wait for the pickup, and that's about it. You do not need to do anything else. So that was all about Empties for Good by Plum Goodness. Honestly, you guys, I'm really impressed, and I highly appreciate Plum Goodness for this initiative that they have taken, because there are a lot of brands which which claim that they recycle plastic and they are plastic positive and stuff like that, but nobody actually disclose the process, or nobody actually involves the consumers with this. So yeah, I was really happy with Plum for this. They are benefiting themselves, they are benefiting Mother Earth, they are also benefiting their consumers. So a big thumbs up for Plum for that. With that, it's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends and family, and let them also know this amazing scheme by Plum Goodness where you can earn by simply sending back empty bottles. I shall see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanksha, signing off. Bye.